Red Alliance. 1678. Flying through that human player loading zone. Loading as fast as can be. With plenty of time left in this match to score. They're loading up a pool noodle. And away they go. And again, up on there, we got 5 totes high, recycling container on top, and 1 piece of litter. Equals 36 points for that tote. Stack. And they're at it again. They got another container and doing the whole loop over again. 2204. Still moving those cooperation totes around, trying to get them lined up so that they can go up and place them on the center stack. They're getting a little bit wobbling to one side, though. It's going to be difficult for them to retrieve those, I think. 4490. 1 cooperation tote on the center stack. It's there and awaiting the other 3 from the Blue Alliance. Just over a minute to play in match number 50. Citrus Circuit scores another 36-point stack for that Blue Alliance, bringing their score close to 100 with still 50 seconds remaining. 2204 is still trying to get that cooperation stack going, trying to retrieve those 3 cooperation totes, but they're not quite in a good accessible area right now. Their alliance partner, 5403, just scores 1 tote worth 2 points on the Blue Alliance step. Citrus Circuits almost have their 3rd stack in a row, going for another 36 points with 25 seconds remaining. 4490, they have a couple stacks going over on the red side. They're trying to get a higher one. They have some individual totes that are worth 2 points apiece already on the red scoring steps. Citrus Circuits, they've got 1. Over goes 5250 on the Red Alliance. At the same time, Citrus Circuits scores another 36 points on the Blue Alliance side. Citrus Circuits in the remaining 7 seconds, they're going to try to get the cooperation score, but they only have 5 seconds left to do it. I'm not sure they'll have time to pull it back with 2 seconds remaining. 1-0. Not enough time to get back to the center, but a high-scoring match for the Blue Alliance in match number 50. I have a quick announcement. There was a score adjustment on match number 47. Didn't change any outcome. We have our lights, get your robots. For match 47, Red Alliance score had some points added to it. Some totes were missed when we initially scored, and they've been added. So red score went up to 153, and blue score again was 107. But red score increased in match 47. That will be reflected in the rankings very shortly. Instantly.
Who's that flying up there? Is it a bird? No! Is it a plane? No! Is it the twister? Yeah! Twist again, like we did last summer.
We now have our results from match number 50. Blue Alliance 130, Red Alliance 2. Everyone in the Red Alliance, or looks like 2204 and 5430, increased their average scores. The average score of 1678 was already so high that they scored beneath their average score, just barely. They didn't change their rank whatsoever, but it did affect their average score.
21.
The Penguin Empire.
Their alliance partners, 2473.
The Gold Strikers.
And rounding it out with 3598.
Systematic Eliminators.
Over on the Blue Alliance, we have 3250.
Kennedy Robotics.
And the really strong girls from 692.
The Fembots.
And rounding it out with 114.
Eagle Strike.
And Eric has a pretty snazzy flag. All right, drivers behind the line in 3, 2, 1, rush.
3250. They've got 2 recycling containers already. They're going for their third one. They already have 8 seconds left. Moving into place. Oh, and a swing and a miss. Just barely didn't catch that last recycling container. They got 1 second remaining, but they do have 2 of them already in their possession and are ready to go. We got 1 container over on the red side already moved out and into the auto zone. And now robots being controlled by their human counterparts. Or their human creators. 114 lining up on their